All right, yesterday we learned about the parts of a syllable, and we looked at some words that have just one syllable. Today we're going to practice finding the syllables in words that have 2 to 3 of them. I'll show you, we'll practice together, and then I'll ask you to show me how you can clap or snap out the syllables by yourself. So, we have the word today right here on the board. The word today has 2 syllables. I can tell it has 2 syllables because there are 2 vowel sounds. Today. To help me count out the syllables in words, I like to clap each time, or snap. I think I'll snap right now. I like to snap each time I hear a new vowel sound. Today. I can also draw a line in between the 2 syllables, today, to help me see that there are the 2 syllables. So, as you can see down there, I have the word calendar, or I can break it apart, calendar. And then there's the lines in between the syllables to help me see calendar. And you can see that they have vowel in each part of the syllable to help us. So here I have a couple. So let's do some practicing together. I have the first word up there, which is paper. I can hear that there are 2 vowel sounds, just like in the word today for paper. There's that. And we can also draw that line to help us see. So we can snap that first word, paper. Let's do it all together. Ready? Paper. Now let's say the word fast. Paper. Nice job. Let's do it with this next word, doctor. Doctor. Right? Again, 2 syllables. Doctor. Here we can draw that line in between the syllables to help us remember. So let's do it one last time. Doctor. And what's the word fast? Doctor. All right, and that final word down there, that's a long one. This one, you can see 1 vowel, 2 vowel, 3 vowels in this one. So hamburger is the word. Hamburger. How many vowel sounds, or how many syllable sounds is that? 3, yep. Hamburger. And then there's those lines in between so you can see. So one last time, hamburger. Now let's say the word fast. Ready? Hamburger. All right. So now it is your turn. So with your table partner, I want you guys to work together to break down these words on the board into their syllable parts. These words might look long, but they only have 2 or 3 syllables in them. So work with your table partner to decide how many syllables each word has by drawing the lines in between the syllables on each word. And you can work to figure out how many syllables each word has by clapping or snapping the syllable sounds. All right. So to wrap up today, we have learned how to find the syllables in longer words that have 2 or 3 syllables in them. Using our eyes, we can see and draw those lines to help us remember, and then we can clap or snap the word to help us see how many syllables there are. So next time, we're going to work with words that end in Y and count those syllables in those words.